Well, hello there. Hello, Internet. This is me. I'm here. Another week. We are just. I had. I had a great. I had a good idea. I wanna do, and that is about the main menu, which I put in the title as well. So it should be obvious. I think I saw it in a video on YouTube. Hello, Michael Scofield. Where do I live? I live in Germany. I hope you are not asking more specific address, which I'm afraid I cannot be talking about. Anyway, so I wanna work on the main menu. I wanna do this. So if you go here, I'm just gonna plan out the thing I wanna do, and then we are just gonna do it. Ooh. Okay, so wait, I wanna draw. Right. Oh, I have no idea, honestly. So here, for a front-end developer, job opportunities. I think React is very popular and always will be popular. It should be pretty much the same everywhere, globally, worldwide. But I don't know specifically how it is in Germany. So, yeah. I'm afraid I don't have an answer. Sorry. So what I wanna do is workflow diagrams and symbols. Is it available in Figma? I'm gonna move this here because this will open up my Figma and I don't want to share things. So what we can do is we can go here, create a new whatever that is. How do you create new file? Create, no. Create a new fig gem. So game menu concept, let's call it like that. Game menu concept, create a fig gem board. Yeah. So if we are here, hello, you are playing a horror game. You are waiting for it to load. Nice. I have an idea about how I would design my how do you call it, man? Come on. Sum or shield folder file cylinder. No, these are not the things I am looking for. Diamond, ellipse, flowchart. Nah. I just want to show stuff. That is why I am going over these things. There are nodes in a flowchart. So you basically start, there's a decision, which is a diamond is a decision, and then there are things like, yeah, like this one. So rectangular box, diamonds are decisions, and then you have starts for circles. Yeah, I don't know why I needed to. Yeah, I was looking at this thing. So you accidentally joined your private server. Okay. So I'm gonna pick this one. I'm gonna put it here as a reference. So there it is. You can make it even bigger. Okay. So what we are going to have is, before that, I'm gonna say like, don't do any coloring, transparent, no fill, and I don't know, black, sure. Start. It should say start game or something, yeah. And then it will sit there. Hello, Guillaume chat. I hope I pronounced at least vaguely similar to how it should be pronounced. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Very nice to see you. How are you, sir? Or, I don't know. How are you? In general. I'm thinking about my main menu and how I'm going to do it. So right now, this is very basic. It doesn't do anything. It's just without any sort of considerations. You just click and it puts you into the game. By the way, I think this was not there on Friday when I left the stream. I did it in the evening while I was offline. You see, I managed to implement this very smooth turning animation. So it is very, very smooth, very nice. It acts like a robot, this vacuum cleaner robots. It is very cool, and then it can shoot projectiles. Yeah. So this is where we are at right now. And then yesterday I was watching a YouTube video. Yeah, it was a collaboration game kind of video from Blackthorn Prod. Yeah, I think that was how the channel name is. It is very famous, so you should all be knowing it. You should all know it. But anyway, so one of the guys did a very cool thing with the menu, and it was like method in so invoking a method like with parentheses at the end, and that reminded me, or that inspired me to have my main menu like a flowchart happening. So it would be there would be like a terminal at the screen. No, I'm just doing the visual design. I'm just gonna then try to implement it unless until I have it, you know, today, and if not finished, tomorrow as well. So what I'm gonna say, let me stop rambling. Let me stop the crazy talk, whatever. So this will, when you click, maybe we will zoom in a bit and then we will start seeing a line here. So there will be a line coming up. We will follow this line. Nope. Take it back. So let's pick this one, make it, yeah. So this line will not be visible. When you click, the line will appear slowly, and then maybe we follow the line, get to a diamond, and then this diamond will be it will say, is there like no, it is very acceptable to just distract me. I am distracted anyway. I don't need an exterior distraction to get distracted. So my game is, let me tell you about my game. In my game, in the game that we are working on, we are imagining, we are entertaining ourselves with. So we are going to play as a robot, and this robot will be serving an AI, right? We can call it like that. And this AI in the game setting will be creating this robot via a 3D printer. So a 3D printer like machine will be able to create and pop these robots out. So the way the game is going to work is, it is going to be like a roguelike. So you will start the run when you are printed out from a 3D printer machine, something like that, and an AI will be doing that. And this main menu will imitate the logical workflow of that AI. It is very simplistic. It is going to be very simplistic and very like I don't know. So what I'm trying to say is, when we start the game, this represents the AI's algorithm. Does it make sense? I think it does. And then here it will say, when we start it will come to the first decision point and it will say, is there a servobot available or something like that. And then here, where's my question? Yeah. I changed since the beginning of the time I was using a Turkish layout on my keyboard, and last week I decided to switch to US layout. So letters are okay, but the other symbols are different in different places, so I need to look into the into the keys themselves to see. Okay, so it will say, is there a servobot? And then we will say no. So this should have like a no on it. So it will take it to a process. And this process will be, oh wait, it breaks. So can we move it? Okay, then this will say print servobot or something. I don't know. We can make it like more we can do some cosmetic stuff, like we can say like get like get materials, request materials. We can make it more complicated than it needs to be, but eventually it will be like, okay, then print a servobot or something like that. So while we are following this, the scene there will be some transitions, some fadings, maybe some other effects, whatever, and then there will be the robot. So this is what I want to do. Yes. Very cool. So you are also learning Godot. What are you doing? Do you have any projects, any games that you have somehow, I don't know, put into each? We can check it out. Okay, what I wanna do is right now I wanna create. So I have here in my main, there's a team, and in the team I have this button. For the button, and we can find a good, let's go to nerd fonts. Let's get a font for our game, why not? You died. Oh, well, good luck. Those horror games are like that. No? Now, I like using Meslo, but I'm not sure if these are... Can I use them in commercial projects? Is there a problem with that? I never thought about it that way. Does it matter? We can use them, right? Yeah, I think so. I don't think it's a problem. No. Shouldn't be. Anyway, so let's go to the popular hack, Firacode or Meslo. So let's select from one of them. Hack. Short descenders. No, should be more. I like Meslo. This one is cool. Should we go with this one? I want it to be more obvious. No? Mono. SureTech mono. Profont, nerd font. It should definitely be a mono type. This looks nice. This is also nice. Very stylistic. I am Cascadia. You know what? I will go with my first instinct, and it is this one. Does this one have mono? Yes, it does. So we can put this because I want legibility as well, and I want to use the font across the game. Yeah. So we have mono here. Yeah, this is fine. This is nice. I think so. Does it have a bold? Mono regular? What is the difference here? It only has a regular thing. Cool. Okay, we are gonna put this one into our project. I'm gonna get my file system. I'm gonna go to my assets. I'm gonna create a new folder here called fonts. And here in fonts, we are gonna put this thing, mono. How are the other ones? Okay. I'm gonna pull mono here. No? Open in file manager. Okay. Nice. It's working. So we can go back to our theme. Default font. Close. Nope. Oh, here, project settings. Project settings. Theme. Fonts. Nope. Theme. Custom font. What is custom? Oh, wait. Ah. Can put this one here. And then font. Assets, fonts. Here. Save and restart. Okay, are you restarting? Are you gonna restart? Nice, it changed. Cool, very cool. So I realized if I do that and do this and do that, what have I done? Where is this thing? There we go. I made some changes to this. Yes, that's okay. But what did we do? I don't need this anymore. I don't need to set it there. What else? We don't need these, you see? Because I set the custom thing. Whatever. Okay. Then I want to go into this thing. No, wait. Do I want to make change to the theme file? I think so. Yes, let's do it. So I'm gonna select button and we are gonna do some modifications to the button. So what is this? Outline text. Nope. Ooh. Normal. Can we change this? No? Okay. So for the button, styles normal. New style box flat. And then we make fully transparent, full white but transparent thing. Or maybe we do some, yeah, like this high contrast. I'm not sure. But usually when I think about those workflow diagrams, it's always black and white and very boring. I used to see like these are not even complicated. Back in the day, engineers drove these huge workflows like this. This is very cool actually. We used to do this. Not anymore. Okay. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna keep it simple. We are gonna say borders are black. How does it look? Can I make corners? I can't do. Can I do radial? This is what we get. Draw center. What is this? Draw center. Toggles drawing of the inner part of the style box. Interesting. Okay. Top color blend. What is the blend? Nope. Expand margins. What is this? Nice. We can give it 2, 8, 16 to the top, 8, 16, another 8. How does it look? Between 16 and 8 it is looking, doesn't look good. So this can even be like 0. I don't know. Then this is too narrow. Let's call it 4. Why not? Okay. Shadows. We don't want do we want no, I don't. Yeah, this is better. No anti-aliasing. Content margins. So I don't want these at all. Yeah. And then font should be, where is the font color? Or it doesn't have a font color. Margin container constants. Yes. So button, oh, this was the thing. We don't need an icon. Okay. And then font. Button fonts. Nice. No, I don't want that. I don't want to change that. Font color. There we go. Let's change this. Let's make this like a nice crisp white. It doesn't look good though. Nice. I was playing Hades and I am afraid I cannot play it as much as I want. And in the first game, I must have died like hundreds of times. In the recent one, I died 40 times And I'm still in the second level. I couldn't pass the second boss, which is pathetic. I know people already finished it and talking about their strategies. Anyway. Okay, so let's go to team. Can I go? Oh yeah. Pressed. Hover. So on hover, we are gonna do new flat. And can I copy this? Save. Load. I cannot. Wait. Do I need to do that? I'm not sure. Anyway, on hover. If I just change this, what happens? Uh-huh. Menu button, option button, and this is color picker. You're a noob in horror games. Yeah. I used to get scared. You know the crabs in Half-Life? When you are crouching and, you know, prone walking in the air vents and then a crab jumps on you. I used to jump scare on those. Half-Life. Crab air vent. Half-Life 1 gameplay. Yeah, I used to get scared from these head crabs. Such a cool game. That game was like, oh, what is this? This is a very different thing. I wasn't expecting that. OMG. Such a cool game. They jump from nowhere and always scared me. Oh my god. Anyway. Tabs. Disable tab. I wanna make this more round. So maybe I can. Okay, so what we can do is I'm gonna go to my file system assets, and then I'm gonna call this a team, and then we are gonna move this to here, and then I'm gonna save this one, save as. Oh, what? Make unique, and then save it. Team button normal, and then I'm gonna quick load button normal here, and then make it unique, and then save as button hover. Okay, I can live with this. So now it is the same. For the background, maybe we do it like no. This. Now we get this hover effect, which is nice. One more thing. If I do this, I think that's okay. Yeah. Now, why don't we get layout? Layout what container? Oh. What kind of music is this? Can you hear it at all? Wait, it is not. I'm listening to the music myself. It is not picking up. Why am I listening to the music myself? Desktop audio. There it is. Okay, OBS is very weird. That is a question. That's a very broad and non-specific question. Why your Discord won't work? Usually, if you can authenticate and log in, you should be able to use it. And if you cannot log in, well, that's another problem. That is the problem. So you need to figure out how to log in. If your account is suspended or banned, or I don't know if that's a possibility. So that you must have a specific question to ask to get an answer, to find an answer. Not necessarily from me, but in general. I want this button to accommodate why is it not considering the margins? Where was the margins? Age separation. Is this the thing we want? No, it doesn't do anything. Align to largest style marks. Nope. Outline size. So these are all colors, font colors. This is always the font, this is the font size, this is an icon. Normal corner. Is there anything about its pattern? The box, container sizing. Is it this? No. What is happening? I'm not happy right now. So this VBox container should fill. No, it should not fill. Should expand. No. Shrink center. Custom. No. Okay. Fill. No. If I do it like this, what happens? We still don't get the button. So when we push the boundaries for the button, I mean the borders, it doesn't work for nothing. Okay. I want something like box sizing border box from CSS. These expand margins. Expands the style box outside of the control rect on the left edge. I see. Unlike content margin left. Where is it? So we need to do that. Let's see. But that throws... No, let's go. So if I put 16 here, what happens? Okay, that is better. So we don't do expand margins. We do content margins. Okay, nice. So if I put this one in, now it is better. Okay, it makes sense. So now I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna go here. We don't do expand margins, we do content margins. Which is nicer. And we are gonna do border width like 3. Four. Let's do 4. Very nice. And maybe left is more 24. Yeah. Something like that. So then, okay, I like it. Hello, boy guy. Welcome. I'm very happy with our YouTube performance. Not so much about the Twitch performance because we need some champions in Twitch. Can I see my live in here? No. Real time. Yep. Okay. Cool. It looks like YouTube is trying to find me an audience, which I appreciate, of course. Anyway, I'm happy with this one. I just wanna, you know, label this label is it's just a label, and there is no special thing about labels, so we just need to change the label. Default font size, maybe we can increase this a bit. I don't know. Okay, maybe 24 is cool. Overall, I think it is okay. We can make this a bit bigger though. I just want to make this bigger. Okay, let's select it. Let's do theme override. Font size. Let's do 64. Why not? This is my VBox container. This is my margin container, and margin container has a 20 pixel. Oh, we had an event happened. What is it? Bob the cat just subscribed. Nice, welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you for the subscription. Much appreciated. I am here every day. My name is Faruk. I am a software engineer doing web development for, I don't know, for many seasons now. And recently I decided to pick up game dev. I'm learning, I am experimenting, and I am actually developing a game which is called Artifactum. Here, as a working title, we have Artifactum. Artifactum is a 3D Metroidvania action-adventure with roguelite elements, where players explore a desolate world filled with mystery, puzzles, and enemies. The player and the world changes as the game progresses. So there's a meta progression, and then there will be roguelike runs where you will die and restart, and between each run you will be able to upgrade your skills and abilities and get more items, and somehow each run will be able to be is going to be somewhat customizable, different, like Hades. In Hades you get boons and you start with different weapons, so that changes how each run happens, you know. There will be things like that. I have written this GDD, and I will hopefully will be able to implement it in the next 5 years. So let's say 5 years is an optimistic target. Today I am working on some inspiration that I got over the weekend about how to make this transition from the menu to the game. So right now this is, as you can see, very boring. Because I didn't do anything about it, but there's this button, and when you click the button you go to the scene, you go to the game, and the game will be this constant angle camera, top-down isometric camera, and you will be controlling this robot. Exactly, yeah. The robot, we have some concept. Where is it? Did I have some concept art anywhere? Oh yeah, it was in ChatGPT actually. I let ChatGPT draw some stuff. Actually, I wanna put this one here again. Yeah, ChatGPT thinks like, I told it to draw like something with tracks, and then should be like a small robot, but then it made this huge, very complicated thing, and I told, yo man, make it cuter and simpler to manage. So maybe something like this. We will have some tracks and then a small robot. My son actually built me this with Legos. Can you see it? Yeah, very cute, very very nice. It looks like Wall-E, but anyway, so we will have some robot running around. This represented for now, and yeah, it will be able to do different stuff to the enemies. We will get there eventually. I hope I can finish this someday. Anyway, so label, styles, colors. I don't think we can put anything. I'm just gonna put a control here. Call it a spacer, and then I'm gonna put another one. And while selecting both of these, I'm gonna say how is it working? Expand. Yeah. So they will expand, and this is nice. So if there is another button here, Yeah, then there will be 2 buttons, which is nice. Can we get some zoom in? We can even put this one to shrink end. We need to find the better place. Shrink bottom, shrink begin. Yeah. Anyway, let's keep it in the middle for now. We need more spacing. V-Box container. Can we get V-Box container here? Can I override anything in V-Box container? Nothing. Separation. Maybe this one. Yes. You see? Oh, I feel like a magician. Ah, nice. This is, I know this is not like a lot, but figuring the correct way to do things feels awesome, you know? Okay, nice. So we managed to do that as well. Now all I want is to actually, let's make this disabled but still keep it in the scene. So since we have it, what I need. When we click this, I wanna have another scene. I guess I wanna have another game mode. Scene transitions. Oh. Okay. Wait, what are you doing, man? Okay. Okay, this feels sensible. Fade in. Oh, canvas layer, polygon. Okay. Oh my god. What are you doing, man? Transition manager. So we make a global singleton. has some animations, which is okay. I don't mind. Then we need what I don't currently imagine is did I close Figma? No, let's see. So we will have this, and then I want the line to appear since this is a completely built on control nodes, not this one. Godot UI zoom in. Menu looks zoomed in upon pressing play. I have a very basic menu made of control nodes. Wait, what? Nah, that's a very different case. Oh yeah, that's another thing. I think I needed to do that as well. Oh, we cannot do it like that. Then, what I need to do is change mode to scene. Change mode is, let me see. In my remote, yes. If I go to my main and add a canvas layer here, it acts the same, behaves the same, acts the same. Does it matter? I I think I need a canvas layer there. Godot. Animate main menu on user interaction. Can I do this? Main menu with animations. How to create an interactive playable menu screen. Yeah. Tween on properties. What? What kind of person is this? Oh my god. And someone is very patient. Nice. You gotta go, sorry. Nice. Take care, man. Thank you for stopping by. No worries. I think I shouldn't think. So I should do instead of thinking. This is still working, nice. And if I go to my main menu, let's try. If I put something here like a mesh instance 2D, can I put it like that? And can I make it have a shape, line, ribbon trail? What's a ribbon trail? Cross flat. How does it look? What is this? Can we put it under this one? Can I put a control node here and then put it like that? Nope, doesn't work at all. What is this? I wanna read it. Ribbon trail mesh. What is that? Represents a straight ribbon shaped primitive mesh. I'm not sure if I understand. 3D particle trails. Okay, we can also do primitive mesh. Oh, yes, that's what I want. And it can just but we can only use it in particle systems. We can follow it and then see a couple of things. Maybe. I should have spent time on some other stuff. Visualize the scene. What is that? Geometry instance. Nice. Can we put this one to center? Center bottom. Okay, nice. Top white, bottom white. Yes. Okay, and then inside this, can I put GPU particles 2D? Why not? Oh, it started. I want it to be in the center. Center bottom. There we go. Okay. Interesting. Let's see. I am not sure that is the effect I want. I don't need this really. All I need is a line. I think all I need is a line. We want this to be center bottom. Vibing Game Dev, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Here comes the vibes. What's up? What's up? Yes, here comes the vibes indeed. I'm trying to achieve some effect here, but I don't know where to begin, so I'm just doing some random stuff. I think how can I find it? I think that is one of the Mission Impossible intros. Can I search for Mission Impossible intros? Let's check all movie intros. So I think this could be it, maybe. No, maybe not. By the way, this game, this of course it will not be like this graphic, or but I think that's okay, like following a fuse, you know, it goes and follows a fuse. How can I find it? Does it work like this? I don't know. Follow a curve. Yeah. Why did I open this? It doesn't even have an animation. Yeah, something like this. Line goes and the camera follows it. I think I cannot do it here because there is no camera. I cannot put a cam in this view. So what I need to do, let's stop doing this. I'm gonna start a new scene. And probably are we gonna make it a 3D scene? I think so. We are gonna put our camera here. So what I'm gonna do is plane, no, not plane, mesh instance 3D, yes, and then we are gonna make it a plane mesh, and then we are gonna rotate it. Like this, yes. And then I don't care, this is 5 by 5, and then there will be a camera 3D which is here, and then can we have a directional light here? Yes, and the directional light looking, be right back, sure man. If you look at this thing, game modes, main menu to game transition. It just looks like this, which is okay. This mesh instance, if we set a material to it, if we make it full white, yes. No, I didn't want to do it. I want to do this. Okay, I think the camera needs to, we can get 2 viewports, and one will be the camera angle, and if we bring in the camera that, come on. Okay, so we click and immediately we get this very white. Okay, I like this a lot. Start rebooting. And then we follow a line. Okay, this looks better. What I'm thinking, let's take a couple of let's take a screenshot from this. Nope, this is the screenshot. This is my viewport, right? And if I put this viewport here, which I didn't need it actually, I didn't need it to screenshot that, but let me try to make it work. So here I want it to look like there. I want to have a button like says start, and then a line appears, goes like that, and then we start following it. Now start is here, so we move down, and then oh come on, we come to this decision like is robot there, something like that, and then maybe wait here a couple of seconds, and then a new line appears like going like that. This might be too much, but who knows. And eventually it comes here, and then we land on a process and it says print robot or something like that, and then this one fades, and then we see the robot, something like that. I don't think I can, I mean, it should be fairly simple to do this. I just need to work it out. So here I will draw another mesh instance here, and then we will zoom in and follow the line, something like that. Is it stupid to do this like in... Can I put a 2D mesh in a 3D mesh instance 2D? Can I put it? Nah. It's fucked up. Ah. Sorry YouTube. Don't ghost me. Sphere. Box. I guess we can make a cylinder mesh. And then rotate it. Oh, interesting. How do I want to rotate this? On the x-axis, 90 degrees. That. And this one. Of course, I cannot do strokes on this one. Am I being stupid? I'm not sure. I feel like stupid. Can't up. What is that? Kept up. No, I feel like this is stupid. Oh, shit. Can I put a control instance here? Like, if I put a control, it becomes a 2D. But, let me see. If I put a label, if I say, testing. If I say this is full rect and it should, container sizing should expand and expand. And label should anchor to the center. What happens? And then if we make this like a black text, very black, yeah, what happens? What do I see? And I opened the wrong thing. Okay, I get it. So think of it like this is flashing or whatever happens, and then solidifies, and then we get a line moving. I think that can be something that we can build upon. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I think I made some progress today. I figured out some stuff. I'm gonna end right now, go check on my wife, and then I will come back tomorrow with this, now that we figured out how we will do it. Okay, take care. I'm gonna go.